And now we're going to show you how to make some awesome sweet potato, chickpea, and cauliflower burritos. So basically we got all the ingredients out here. We're using mango salsa. You can use peach or whatever. I prefer a sweeter salsa for this particular recipe. Get some coriander. It runs away when you're doing this. It's got a mind of its own. Sometimes I use a pestle. So, you ready to add the sweet potatoes? Sweet potatoes going in. Cube. And, not gonna lie, it was dry. So we'll throw a little extra oil on. A little extra oil for a dry pan. Woo! Dousing it! Just gotta you gotta be able to improvise with cooking. Cook down because it takes a while. Alright, we're gonna come back whenever we get cooked down further. I don't like doing this. Why? I like them to some degree, I guess, like caffeine. But anything stronger than that, like some of those energy drinks, some of them are okay. But what I would say stackers and stuff like that.
She's in that new place of growing up.
That smells perfect. Yeah. Give him for his belly. That's a good idea. Actually, they look at that. He's all the She's got that forever smile. There we go. I'll make her surprise look like a reptilian. Sorry. Go ahead.
There's no hope, dude. Oh, it's going downhill fast.
We're distracted today. Flour tortillas.
Flour tortillas.
So what we're gonna do? Secret of flour tortilla. A lot of people seriously have gone over to taco night at people's houses and they take the tortilla and it's just like this. And they put stuff in it and they serve it to you and it's kind of chewy, kind of not that great, and you're like, Taco Bell's better than this. Taco Bell's garbage, right? So what I do is just heat it up. That's all you gotta do is cook it. Nobody cooks them where I'm from. Is that weird?
It's awesome.
It's totally weird.
Redefine the grind.
Why am I doing it in a wok? That'd be the question, right? Why am I doing this in a wok? I didn't have a clean pan. That's the reason. Actually, a cast iron skillet or something flat is my favorite thing to do tortillas on. But anything hot will do. Sometimes I even do them in the oven. You ever done that? I do that.
Done them in the oven.
Yeah. Sometimes I like making them a little black. Sometimes I make them brown.
All right, tortilla secret.
Tortilla. So
Starting to bubble up.
let's look. See how it's got
Look
brown?
at that.
Looks like a Taco Bell quesadilla, only way better. It's really hot though. So put it on the plate. Yeah, they'll bubble up sometimes like that. It's great, and the steam comes out. So do that, and here to pad my hand.
Just waiting with anticipation.
You ready?
Yeah.
Cool. So we're just gonna put some of this filling in here. It's the cauliflower, sweet potatoes, some chickpeas. You can use really like if you like different ratio of those ingredients, you can. I just basically like choose the sizes of the ingredients to add texture to the burrito because we don't have any meat in it. So there's that. And the next thing, usually I use romaine lettuce. You can use any green that you like. We have this kale medley. It's got kale and baby spinach in it. Just put some, always want some like leafy greens in your burritos. At least I like it that way. Maybe a little more. Let's do a little more. Perfect. And then some salsa. Like I told you, I chose this one is the mango Newman's Own salsa. I like Newman's stuff. Sometimes I use peach salsa. Mango's good. Something sweet though to balance it out. Okay. And then put some slices of avocado to give it some creaminess in there. So we already sliced that up for you. Because you guys know how to break down an avocado because you've been watching our videos. Okay. That's about it. Now we're going to roll it up. Throw down some fire up in here. Alright. Now, tortilla, it gets a little stiff from being cooked. But don't worry, it's delicious. It's the best, rolling the burrito, it's the best method I've found. Try and tuck all the ingredients back. Bring the side in. This side in. Hopefully your tortilla doesn't tear. Chipotle gives you a free one if it does though. Then boom. Look at that. Magic. Now, you want it to look really good. If you want it to look really good on camera, you got half it this way on a bias. And you like totally throw it down. How easy was that? Seriously. Super easy. Delicious, right? I gotta try it, for real. Huge bite. It's super good. I think the sweetness of the salsa is really good with the avocado. And then you get in like the cauliflower comes in. And you get all the spices. And the spices really sell it. So it's great. A lot of nuance, but simple. Perfect. Good.
Nice.